Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to update to macOS Sequoia 15. So it has been a new update since the Apple release of your iPhone 16 lineup. So it was already available before that, but it came in beta. So it's pretty simple now. All you have to do is go to your settings, general, and then update it to the latest. So in app updates, you want to just download it if it appears right here. I'm already in Sequoia 15, but I'm using beta zero point 0.2, which I will get later updates of more features of your Sequoia 15 basically. So beta updates are just not stable, so I would not recommend you to actually upgrade into Sequoia beta if you don't know what you're doing. So if you have to happen to just come across here in your updates and your software updates, just download it and you'll be on Sequoia 15, and it's just that simple. You'll be gaining access into this, your Apple Intelligence with Siri and many much more. And it's pretty simple. So there you go. Just go again to your general software updates and find it if you can find it here. So some models are not going to support this like the older ones. So remember, just upgrade your machine because that point, I think it's already obsolete in this time. So I would say that's already the Intel type of MacBook. If you're still sticking to that, I would recommend you to actually upgrade to the new M4 lineups, which are pretty cool. So there you go, guys. This is the next video, and thank you for watching.